Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the 4-point bending of a aluminium timber wood composite beam. It is here. This is the aluminium, and this is the wood. We consider two areas for the wood, or two zones: the tension and compression zone, and also the damage behavior for aluminium part. If I click on this, you can see here. Also, let me replace first the wood. We use connector between the aluminium and the wood slab. Here you can see the critical zone or zones are happen at the connection area. See, these are the connection areas, and we can check the yield criterion also for that. See, here is the loading area, but here is the connection areas. See, in the connection we have the failure. Also for the aluminium beam. In the aluminium beam, let me replace it. You can see the damage happen at the load location. Okay, we can request also the ductile damage for the aluminium beam, the shear damage or shear ratio, or stress or plastic strain. You can see that if I click on, for instance, stress, you can see the animation of this, and this is the bending, and you can see we use the surface to surface contact, the contact between the timber wood slab or beam and aluminum beam, but at the middle we use connectors as the beam. Also we have here the force displacement diagram for it. You can see this is a force diagram till this displacement. You can increase the displacement to check the failure point. So if you need to model the timber wood beam, the aluminium beam, or composite beam like this, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the tutorial. You can see here. Click on title, then you will have this title, explanation about the geometry, material, step, interaction, load, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. The cost for the CINP reference paper English video step by step is set to use. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Just send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have a full package, contains more than 400 tutorials. The full package contains all things about the modeling and simulation in Abaqus, and you can use that to be a master in this field. You can see the main titles of the package here. Also, it contains many subtitles, the forming crack source, CFD, thermal, cyclic masonry, discrete, pull-out, concrete structure, steel, seismic load, electromagnetic, or anything. You can find anything there. So, if you want to buy this exceptional package, because you don't find it anywhere, and this is the original, maybe you find some copy of our tutorial, but they are copy, and the writer of those tutorials can't respond your uh, problem, or they can't uh, answer your question. But here, this is the original one, and we will be responsible for our full package. So if you need this full package with a good price, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.